An extension to sequence diagram can also be called as collaboration diagram. It is actually derived from sequence diagram itself. Whatever objects that we use in sequence diagram are the objects that are used in collaboration diagram. So these are the two types of interaction diagram which are correlated to each other. Sequence diagram emphasizes the order or the sequence of interaction. Collaboration diagram emphasizes on interacting objects and what are the messages that are passed between interacting objects. This is an example of collaboration diagram. You can see there are objects as order entry window or order, sun line, order line, delivery items and stock, reorder item. So these objects are connected to each other through set of messages which are mentioned over here, and the ordering of the sequence that was given in the sequence diagram is also mentioned, which ordering are provided between which two objects. For example, if we say here the objects of a system are cat, policeman, inspector, and a person. If we have a sequence as if a person kicks cat, cat reports inspector, inspector reports person and cat to policeman, policeman arrests a person. So these are the sequences which are given, and the numbering would be 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the arrest. Okay, so if we get collaboration diagram from this sequence diagram, this could be the example. This is just enacted way on how the things have happened in sequence. So collaboration between these objects, person, cat, inspector, and policeman would be this way, and the numbering of the sequence of messages are mentioned between these objects, that how things have happened and what are the connection and which object is connected to which and how. Another example for sequence to collaboration here is change in the airline itineraries. Traveler is their booking system, client account, and reservation system. Numbering is already provided on the sequence through the set of messages which are passed between these objects. And for this, the collaboration diagram would be something like this. You can see that more number of messages have been communicated between traveler and booking system, and which are the orders, the numbers of messages that have been given passed are also mentioned over here. Okay, so this is how sequence to collaboration can diagram can be depicted, and it is very simple and the simplest diagram in UML diagram. Thank you.